Wanna know how to create a to-do list using ArrayList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a simplified code on how you can do it that will help you in better understanding as well. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So in this code right here, this code acts like a mini to-do list using ArrayList. Super simple. We make a list called to-do and add two tasks. So right here you can see we have made a to-do and we have also added new two tasks, that is code and edit right here. So then we print the full list. So I'll be showing you by printing it later on. You can also remove tasks or loop through them using for each. This is a great way to build small projects, to-do apps, shopping carts, playlists, and with a few extra lines, you can also save this to a file. Simple structure and endless use. That's it. Super simple and easy. You can just run this code to see the results. And I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.